Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change theme in your Honor X8. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Honor X8 and you are wondering how to change theme. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Honor X8 settings section. After click over there, you need to click here home screen and wallpaper. After click over home screen and wallpaper, you're going to find here something say themes. After click over themes, we're going to see there is a bunch of themes preloaded by Honor. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I want to choose this Ethernical light and let me see how it's going to be looks like. So this is the theme how it's going to looks like. Let me click here apply and you can see they're applying the themes. So now you can see my completely phone is showing a new theme which is really quite interesting. So within this simple way you can easily change or set new theme in your Honor X8. Let me make it the default theme again. Go again, jump over in the settings section, choose here home screen and wallpaper and jump over in the themes and let me choose this fantasy one which is the default one. And let me make it here apply. So within this way you can easily change theme in your Honor X8. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.